MP Barim Katura, Agatha Sangma, Hakasi Balang, Kyntait, Yaki Kubor, Hamsaya, Kiblami, Hakabe Day, Batka, Bakala, Banyakun, Yaka election MP Rajya Sabha. Abapan Pau Yakani Hakilat Patai Kubor, Agatha, Kalau Ongru, Bahadu Menta, Kampat dan Satya Kanu jingiakren Hapok ka National People's Party, Halor Kani ka Benta, Kumbala Penbana Kubor. Shushu, Kong, Bakumba, Kalong, Hadu Mentahi, Kampat dan Satya ka jingiakren Halor ka Kam MP Rajya Sabha, Kabaka Samay, Kan Sakutno House number 1.
As of now, we don't have any, we've not had any discussion on the Rajya Sabha seat. These are just speculations. So I can't comment on it. All I can say is that whoever my party decides, I fully support that candidate. But like I said, as of now, we've not discussed it. Maybe in the future, if there's a discussion, I can let you know later. I don't know now. I can't say as of now because, like I said, it's party's decision. It's not mine. And I'm just going to support the party.